Mexico has now entered its third wave of COVID-19 infection. New cases are spiking as high as 10,000 a day, numbers that haven't been seen since the country emerged from its worst pandemic days of January. Nancy Rodriguez, a nurse in Mexico City, is only today receiving a vaccine and has to report for work at a public hospital ICU tomorrow.
It makes me scared and anxious, because while I'm being vaccinated, I won't have antibodies for some time, and the hospital where I work is having to double the number of COVID wards it is currently operating, because there are many new cases.
At this vaccination site, Mexicans in their 30s are now eligible for inoculation, but a force behind the current surge may be found in those even younger.
Health officials in Mexico are blaming young people for fueling this third wave of infection. People in their 20s don't yet qualify for vaccination, but they are once again crowding restaurants and bars. And while they may be less vulnerable to the virus, they're just as likely to spread the highly contagious Delta variant.
Even President López Obrador has urged younger Mexicans to take pandemic protocols seriously. With fewer than a third of Mexicans vaccinated with at least one dose so far, it's a message doctors here support.
We are not seeing vaccinated people sick with COVID now. All the patients I have seen, and I have seen a good amount of them, all of them are not vaccinated people. It's clear that vaccination will be key in this case.
In the capital's most populated borough, market vendor Jose Alvarado fits into that category. 28 and unvaccinated, he says things will be different this time around.
With the previous waves, we didn't take them seriously. But now we have seen it's real, because we have lost family members and friends to the virus. So we are using face masks, sanitizing gel, gloves, everything.
As Mexico navigates this third wave of COVID-19, it's clear opinions among the young adult population are split. How this demographic chooses to behave may greatly impact how the surge here plays out. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, Mexico City.